Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay. So today's video is going to be another wig video. This is actually about to be a wig from Amazon. I believe the sender, vendor, whatever you want to call it, is You Dreamy Hair. I'm going to leave the link down in the description box for y'all, so don't even worry about it. Okay, so I'm gonna be seeing if I can slay this wig. Hopefully I can, or else this video will never see the light of day. So this is what the hair got sent in, DHL Express. I already opened it, by the way. It was inside with this yellow bag thing, and then inside of another plastic bag. So this is the wig. I picked this one out because I remember the first ever wig video I did, everybody was talking about the blonde wig that I had on at the beginning, and this actually looks kind of similar to it. So this is it. It is, what color is this? Black up at the roots, and then it ombres down. It's super long, super long. This wig, it does come with soft lace. I know y'all like the soft lace. And this is the cap construction. Oh, I think this is like the that 4x4 parting, and it is ear to ear lace. So if you do want to cut baby hair in this wig, you are definitely free to do that. It has 2 combs in the front, right here and right here. No comb in the back, but just the adjustable strap. So it feels fake. I wonder if this can take heat. We're gonna see if it can take heat today, bitch. The parting space though isn't that deep. This is all the parting that you get all the way back. So that's only about what, like 3 inches. I'm gonna do the same thing that I do with every wig, and I'm gonna pluck the hair out of the part. I learned my lesson from the last wig video. If you see my last one, the wavy hair one, I think I learned my lesson. I ripped a hole in the lace going too goddamn hard. So I'm gonna be a little bit more gentle in this one. I probably could have just put some concealer in it and it would have been cool. So I'm gonna cut the lace off of this wig. Let me find my scissors. So for me personally, cutting the lace off is easier if I have the wig like on a wig head, but my wig head is all the way over there and I don't feel like getting it, so it's kind of tangly. It's not too bad yet, but I do believe that when I do actually wear it, it'll get tangled up pretty quickly. So to cut the lace, you just want to, I'm like combing all the hair back away from where I'm about to cut, and you want to start at one end and start to cut. It depends. If you want to do like the lace frontal thing, you can cut a little bit further away from the hairline, but me, I'm gonna put my own edges out, so I'm gonna cut it as close as I can without cutting off any of the hair that's here. So So this is the lace that I just cut off, and this is what the wig is looking like without the lace. So I'm gonna put this wig on my head and then I'll be back. Okay y'all, so this is the wig on my head. I'm not sure how I feel about the color. I thought the color was like the one in the other video, but it's actually lighter. That's the parting. Let me put out my edges real quick. So they say, I believe they say on the website with this wig, it can take heat, but I'm scared to put heat on it just because of the way that it feels. I just want to flatten it up here, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try it. If it can't take heat, then I don't know what to tell this company, hunty. While my flat iron's heating up, I'm gonna put some powder in my part. So now let me try to get my flat iron. I'm gonna take a piece in the back. Okay, I guess it can take heat. Okay, so it can take heat. So this wig definitely sheds. I feel hair all over me. And this, I don't know if you can see this, but that's how much came off in my brush. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, smack the shit out of your screen right where that subscribe button is. You might as well hit the notification bell as well, because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, okay? And before you go, be sure to check the description box because the links to all of my social media accounts will be down in there, as well as the link to this wig. Adios.